Now another lecture of general knowledge, and the topic is the design in nature. The fact that living things have perfectly designed forms prove that they could never have originated by chance. The design in nature is a clear skip or sign of creation. What would you think if you went in the depth of the forest and ran across the latest model car among the trees? What would you think that various elements in the forest had came together by chance over billions of years and produced a car such a self? All the raw material making up car are obtained from iron, plastic, rubber, earth, or its byproduct. But would this fact let you think that these material had come together by any chance and had become a vehicle by themselves? Without a doubt, anyone would sound mind would you that the car was the product of an intelligent design, that is, it was factory made, and would wonder what is it doing there in the middle of the jungle. The sudden organization of complex structure of a complete form of the blue shows that it is made by an intelligent agent. The example of car also holds true for living things. In fact, the design in life is too striking to be compared to that in a car. The cells, the basic unit of life, is far more complex than any man-made technology product. Moreover, the irreparably complex organization must have emerged suddenly and fully formed. Therefore, it is crystal clear that all living things are the work of superior design. To put it more clearly, there are no doubt that all creatures are created by God. In fact, in the face of this explicit truth, evolution resolved in a single concept, chance. By believing that pure chance can perfect design, evolution cross bounds of reason and science. The famous zoologist Pierre Graves, the former president of French Academy of Science, makes his point about logic of chance, which is backbone of Darwinism. The opportune appearance of mutation permitting animals and plants to meet their needs seems too hard to believe. Yet the Darwinian theory is even more demanding: a single plant, a single animal. The designs are in our hand. The fact that hands has perfect design that gives us ideal movement ability. Each one has 27 small bones making up the hand. Positioned properly in a certain engineering calculation, the muscle help us to move our finger located in our lower arm like this. Lower arm, so as not to make our hand clumsy. These muscles are connected by strong tendons to three small bones in our fingers. Moreover, there is special bracelets like tissue in our wrist that fastens all the tendons. The hand has such a perfect design that no robot hand can replace it. Would you require thousands of lucky appropriate events? Thus, miracle would become the rule. Events with infinite probability that could never fail to occur. There is no law against daydreaming, but science must not include it. Gar's summaries what the concept of coincidence means. The evaluated chance became a sort of province which, under cover of itself, is not named but which is secretly worshipped. This is the type of superstition that underlies Darwinism. A perfect hunter, the Venus firegraphs. Carnage plant, the Venus flycatcher, is a perfect hunter that swiftly catches the fly landing on it. It is impossible for this trap system working with electrical development. Okay.